Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The 2025 15.6-inch laptop computer enters the market as a budget-conscious option that aims to provide a modern computing experience at a price point of approximately $300. This device is positioned for users who need a functional and reliable machine for daily tasks without the high cost associated with premium flagship models. It features a large display and a full-sized keyboard, which are standard for productivity-focused laptops, but it differentiates itself by including hardware specifications that are often reserved for more expensive tiers. The primary focus of this machine is to offer a balance between a large screen footprint and a portable design while utilizing a current generation entry-level processor. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, which is a notable inclusion for a device in this category, as the Pro version of the operating system typically carries a higher licensing cost and offers more advanced features for security and networking. The build and design of this laptop prioritize a sleek and contemporary aesthetic. The most prominent feature of the exterior is the 15.6-inch display, which is surrounded by narrow bezels. By reducing the size of the borders around the screen, the manufacturer has managed to maximize the viewing area while keeping the overall dimensions of the laptop manageable. This narrow bezel design gives the device a more high-end appearance and helps the user stay focused on the content on the screen. The screen itself is a full high-definition panel which provides a resolution that is sharp enough for clear text and detailed video playback. For a laptop of this size, the inclusion of a backlit keyboard is a significant practical advantage. This allows for comfortable typing in dimly lit environments such as a dark bedroom or a late-night flight. The keyboard also includes a full number pad, which is essential for data entry and spreadsheet work. To enhance security and convenience, the laptop includes a fingerprint unlocking sensor. This biometric feature allows for quick access to the desktop through Windows Hello, eliminating the need to type in a password every time the device wakes from sleep. The overall construction is designed to be lightweight enough for students and professionals to carry in a backpack throughout the day while still feeling sturdy enough for regular use. When looking at how this laptop performs, it is important to understand the role of the Intel N100 processor. This chip is part of the 12th generation family and is built on an architecture that prioritizes power efficiency. It features 4 cores and 4 threads with a burst frequency that reaches up to 3.6 GHz. This is a meaningful step up from older budget processors like the Celeron N5095 or the N95. The N150 is designed to handle the core tasks of modern computing, such as web browsing with multiple open tabs, streaming high-definition video, and working on Office documents. Because it operates at a low thermal design power of only 6 watts, the processor generates very little heat, which helps the laptop stay cool and quiet during operation. This efficiency also contributes to a more consistent battery life, as the system does not require massive amounts of power to maintain basic functionality. The performance is further supported by the inclusion of 16 GB of RAM. In the world of budget laptops, it is very common to see only 4 or 8 GB of memory, but having 16 GB provides a much larger buffer for multitasking. This extra memory is particularly important for Windows 11 Pro, which can be resource-intensive. With 16 GB, the system can keep more applications active in the background without forcing the user to wait for programs to reload. This matters for anyone who likes to keep a dozen browser tabs open while simultaneously running a word processor and a music streaming app. For storage, the laptop uses a 512 GB solid-state drive. An SSD of this capacity offers a good balance between speed and space. It ensures that the computer boots up in seconds and that applications launch quickly compared to older hard drive technology. 512 GB is also enough room to store a large library of photos, documents, and several large video files without immediately needing external storage. While the product title mentions gaming, it is important to frame expectations around the integrated graphics of the N150 processor. This machine is not intended for heavy AAA gaming or professional video editing. Instead, it is best suited for casual gaming, such as titles found on the Microsoft Store, older classic games, or web-based gaming platforms. It can also handle cloud gaming services where the heavy processing is done on a remote server and the laptop simply displays the stream. For these types of entertainment, the Full HD screen and the stable connection provided by the onboard Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 work well together. The Wi-Fi 5 standard ensures a reliable internet connection for streaming and downloads, while Bluetooth 4.2 allows for the easy connection of wireless mice, headphones or speakers. This laptop is best suited for several specific types of users. Students will find it particularly useful because it provides a large enough screen for split-screen multitasking, which is helpful when writing a paper while looking at research materials. The lightweight design and the backlit keyboard make it a practical companion for long days in a library or classroom. It is also an excellent choice for home office workers or small business owners who need a dedicated Windows 11 Pro machine. The Pro version of Windows includes features like BitLocker device encryption and remote desktop capabilities, which are valuable for those who need to protect sensitive data or access their office computer from home. Furthermore, casual home users who primarily use a computer for checking email, social media, and watching movies will appreciate the simplicity and the clear display. It is a strong candidate for anyone who wants a brand new machine with modern security features like fingerprint unlocking, but who does not want to pay the premium for a high-performance workstation that they might not fully utilize. In a balanced closing thought, the 2025 15.6-inch laptop stands out as a high-value proposition for those operating within a budget of roughly $300. It successfully combines a modern design with functional upgrades like 16 GB of RAM and a backlit keyboard, which are often missing in this price bracket. While the N150 processor is an entry-level chip, it represents a clear improvement over previous generations of budget silicon, providing enough power for the vast majority of everyday tasks. The inclusion of Windows 11 Pro adds a layer of professional utility that is rare at this price point. Prospective buyers should be aware that while it is marketed with a gaming label, its strengths lie in productivity and media consumption rather than high-end graphics performance. For the user who needs a dependable large-screen laptop for schoolwork or general home use, this device offers a well-rounded set of features that justify its place in the market. It manages to deliver the essentials of a modern PC experience without unnecessary frills, keeping the focus on usability and value. For anyone looking for a straightforward, functional and affordable Windows laptop, this model provides a solid foundation for daily digital life. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.